first off, he's kicked my door down before.
Okay.
The whole entire thing. The other day I was at work, and I can't leave work to come and see what's going on. I have small baby children here, and he did this to my door.
Listen, that is
You
not how...
need to leave out of my house. Get me out of these cuffs.
No, you're going to jail.
I am not going to jail.
You are going to jail.
The encounter between Rosie Perez and Officer Casey Barnum escalated after her son called the police, claiming she kicked him out. Perez explained that her son had a warrant for his arrest and was not welcome in the home until it was resolved.
Hi.
Stop, sir. Oh, hold on. Where's...
How can I be so blind?
Yes?
Hello.
Hi.
So we're getting a call from your son saying that you guys are kicking him out.
I'm actually just got home. He has a warrant out for his arrest.
Right,
Out
for
of...
possibly for not doing court or something.
Yep, that's right. Yep, that is right.
And he's calling us saying you're kicking him out of the house.
I just got home from court, like literally just walked in the house. It's been my sister, and he actually hasn't been allowed in my house because he did this the last time, and I had to do a well check because I was at work. So I did tell her not to open the door if he came back, if I'm not here.
You can't do that.
Okay, well either way, he has a warrant out for his arrest, so you guys can deal with it. Okay?
So, as a mother,
Okay, I gotta go, okay? I'll call you back.
so I'm pretty sure I know which warrant it is. It was for the incident a couple weeks ago.
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna come outside.
He's not coming to go to flat for that.
Okay. It's not a warrant for that. It was a warrant today because he failed to show up for court. So let me explain to you, officer, what's been going on, okay? So first off, he's kicked my door down before.
Okay.
The whole entire thing. The other day I was at work, and I can't leave work to come and see what's going on. I have small baby children here. And he did this to my door while I was gone. While I was gone, not while I was here. So I did a well check. No, please hear me out first because I know exactly where you're going with this. Okay? So I asked him on his birthday, which was Tuesday, to get his butt home.
Okay.
He failed to come home. I don't know if he told you that or not, but he failed to come home.
Okay.
Okay, so he went to my sister-in-law's house and has been there since.
Okay.
And I told him, if you're not here by Friday morning in order to go to court, Trey, I'm going to court on my own.
Okay.
Which I did this morning. I went to court on my own. His court was at 9:30, and I will show you where I told him. Okay, I told him your court is at 9:30, so you better be here doing what you're supposed to be doing, or I'm going to court on my own.
Okay.
And guess what I did? Because he just got here.
Okay.
So what did I do? I went to court on my own.
Okay.
Okay? So he has a warrant out for his arrest out of Adams County right now for failure to appear. And the judge specifically told me, I told her everything that happened as I'm telling you.
Okay.
And am I kicking him out now? Yeah, he has a warrant out for his arrest. He's not welcome in my home until he gets that taken care of.
Okay.
Okay.
You can't do that.
Yes, I can.
Barnum falsely stated her son had a right to enter, even if he kicked down the door. Under the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, Perez had the right to control access to her home. Despite her clear explanations, Barnum insisted that her son had the right to enter the home, disregarding her concerns as a parent. Unfortunately, Barnum's approach demonstrated a serious disregard for these legal protections.
You can't do that.
Yes, I can.
No,
He's
cannot.
a fugitive. Yes, I can.
You can call, listen,
Yes, I
listen.
can. What?
I listen to you.
Okay, what?
You can call us if he comes, but you cannot say you can't come in. And if you lock him out, he can kick your door to get in because he lives here.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. He may not kick my door.
Okay.
Okay?
If you lock him out, he can.
Okay, I didn't lock him out. My sister did. If he is being a havoc, well, my sister is here babysitting my children.
Okay.
He is not welcome
Then
here.
she needs to call us. You can't kick him
We
out.
did call you. We did call. We did a well check. They came. The officer came and you can check that.
Okay.
The officer came and did that. He hasn't been home since until today.
Okay.
Today he was locked out again, and the reason that he was locked out was because I wasn't home. When I'm home, then he can come.
That's not how this
Okay,
works.
too bad, so sad. Goodbye.
No, that's not how, ma'am. Listen.
As tensions rose, Perez attempted to close the door on Officer Barnum to end the confrontation, but he forcefully pushed the door open and entered her apartment without consent. This act not only violated her privacy, but also contravened her rights as guaranteed by the Fourth Amendment, which requires a warrant or consent for entry into a private residence. Perez was understandably upset and insisted that Barnum had no authority to invade her home. She expressed her frustrations while attempting to assert her rights as a homeowner. Instead of de-escalating the situation, Barnum accused her of shoving him, a claim she denied. This interaction highlighted Barnum's failure to uphold the law and respect Perez's rights.
Then he can come.
That's not how this works.
Too bad, so sad. Goodbye.
No, that's not how, ma'am. Listen, that is
You
not how.
need to leave out of my house.
Stop.
I am. You do not have any permission to go into my
Stop.
house. You have no permission to go into my house.
Dispatch really 4th. If you can have a
Can
second.
you please let me go?
No, because now you're
Close
under
that
arrest.
door. Close that door. What am I under arrest
Stop.
for?
You're under. Because you just shoved me.
I did not shove you. I told you
It's
to
on
get out
video.
of my house. I told you to get.
It's on video.
You have no right to come into my home.
It's on video.
Comb my hair. You have no right to come into my home. You have absolutely no right to come into my home.
During the encounter, Officer Barnum proceeded to arrest Perez, handcuffing her despite her objections and the lack of justifiable grounds for her arrest. She maintained that her rights were being violated, citing the unlawful entry into her home as a primary concern. While in custody, Perez was held in a police vehicle for approximately 40 minutes, during which she continued to protest her treatment. The incident was recorded on body camera footage, which later played a crucial role in her legal action against the police department. Barnum's aggressive handling of the situation not only violated procedural norms, but also highlighted the urgent need for accountability in law enforcement. Under the law, his actions were indefensible.
It's on video.
You have no right to come into my home.
It's on video.
Comb my hair. You have no right to come into my home. You have absolutely no right to come into my home.
Dispatch really 4th. If you want in custody.
Get me out of these cuffs.
No, you're going to jail.
I am not going to
You
jail.
are going to jail.
Bet. Get me out of
Stop.
these cuffs. Brina! 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 Open the door, Brina! And get this all on video. Brina! Get this all on
Stop.
video.
Stop pulling away from me.
I'm not pulling away from you.
You are.
What am
Just the
I
same
under
as you're trying to
arrest
slip
for?
your cuffs. I just
What am
told
I
you because you
under
just
arrest
shoved
for?
me.
What did I shove you for?
Did I just tell you? It's
What
all
did
on
I shove
camera.
you for? What did I shove you for?
We can talk about it
What
in court.
did I
It's all on camera.
What did I shove you for?
Do you have any weapons on you?
What did I shove you for?
Do you have any weapons
Here,
on
Brina,
you?
take that. What did I shove you for?
Do you have any weapons on you?
What did I shove you for?
Okay,
I
here you
work
go.
for Weld County government.
Okay.
Do you think I have weapons on me?
Okay.
Get off of me now.
Come on.
Sir, I'm not under arrest.
Yes, you are.
For what?
I just told you you shoved me. Come on. Come on.
I'm not going to tell you again. Let me go. This
You're
is a
under arrest.
violation of my rights. You went
not.
into my house.
under arrest. Come on.
You went into my home. You went into my home without being welcomed into my
on.
home. Get off of me. You stupid son of a bitch.
Come on.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hurry the fuck up. You are gonna be so fucking sued.
Okay.
Did you not try to go into my home?
No, I was in your doorway.
No, you pushed my door open. Well, I was trying to go into my home.
Come on.
You can't. You literally opened up my door.
As a result of the incident, Roseanne Perez filed a lawsuit against the Greeley Police Department, claiming a violation of her constitutional rights. The legal proceedings revealed the extent of Officer Barnum's misconduct, leading to a settlement where the city agreed to pay Perez $200,000. This settlement served as both a financial remedy and a recognition of the wrongful actions taken by Barnum. Following the case, it was announced that Officer Barnum was terminated from his position within the department for his inappropriate behavior. Perez's bravery in standing up against police overreach not only brought justice to her case, but also contributed to broader discussions about police accountability. Her fight illustrates the power of individuals to challenge corruption and demand respect for their rights. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.